This has resolved so many fights in the Doug and Nikki household. In the early days, Nikki was allergic to the dishwasher. She really thought dishes needed to be washed by hands, and I was allergic to washing dishes by hands. I have a dishwasher, that's what I wanted to do. I didn't want to actually wash the dishes. But her common complaint was that when they came out of the dishwasher, they'd have spots and they wouldn't look right and that kind of stuff. And it was a little bit true. I needed to find an answer, and this Cascade resolved that situation. Now, what it hasn't resolved is her allergies to the dishwashing machine. She still prefers to wash by hand. I still prefer to use the equipment. But at least now, when I do the dishes and they come out of the machine, they look great. I don't have this complaint that, oh, you need to wipe them a little bit or they have spots, that kind of stuff. This is the answer which has resolved that, and a win for the men in the household. I'm assuming it's mostly men who like to use the dishwasher. If you're a lady who likes to use the dishwasher, put it in the comments below. We want to hear about that. Remember to like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And there's probably a link right down here below, right on the screen, where you can order this if you want. If not, worst case, it's in the description. Anyway, this is an absolute winner as far as I'm concerned. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.